In this video, I'm going to be doing a Shein haul. So I'm doing this voiceover on a Sunday and I'm hoping to get it out by tomorrow. Fingers crossed. But anyways, the first thing I got were 2 packs of the stiletto swatch sticks. I love swatching my polishes on a stiletto swatch stick. I feel like it just looks so much better. I got this really tiny drill bit. I wanted it mostly for like the cuticle area. Like I do have a cuticle bit, but I felt like this would be more precise. I have used it and I actually like filed a bit too hard and caused like a groove in my nail, but it wasn't too bad. I actually cannot see it anymore, so that's a good thing. Anyways, the next thing I got were these French tip stickers. I plan on using them for my toes because I like to do French tip on my toes. Like I have a bondage with that design. I don't know why. Well, I do know why. One thing is when it starts growing out, you can't really tell, so that's like a plus. I also got them in white. However, this has so many sheets and only like 2 sheets are curved. I think these are specifically for helping you draw the line. However, I'm going to use the curved ones and just stick them on as is. I got these fun stickers. I mostly got it for that first sheet. However, there is one that's got like onomatopoeia on it, like wow, bang, all them things there. And I thought those were cool. So there's pretty much only 2 sheets that I like in this, but I'm sure I can find a use for the rest of them. And I have not heard the word onomatopoeia since I was in primary school. I don't even know why that came to mind right now. Next, I got these 80s retro stickers, which I absolutely love, and I have a great idea in mind using these. Really quick, I'm just going to mention that a lot of these things I have had since like maybe January. I was going to do my haul back then because I was so convinced that I was done shopping from Shein. However, I've made like 4 purchases since then. So this is all of it from January till about 2 days ago. Next, I got these space stickers. I got these and the 80s retro stickers at the same time because I wanted both of them. I seen them and I said I need them. So they've been sitting around collecting dust because I wanted to just get the haul out before I filmed a set with them. But finally, I'll be getting this out and I'll be able to actually do what I want to do with them. I also got these, I'm trying to look right now to see what that is. I ain't got my glasses on, but I think it's aliens, astronauts, and they glow in the dark. Next, I got myself some foils. I shy away from buying them because I simply don't know how to use them. I tried sometime last year, it failed, and I was like, never again. I don't know why I let that discourage me because I have seen many videos since then showing how to use them correctly. Like I've seen Nail Addict she has a great way of like getting them to work. I've seen Rose 318 get them to work. So I'm like, I'm going to try this again. But I swear if it fails, I'm not doing it again because that is a sign that I should just leave it alone. Next, I got these really pretty butterflies. I don't really know what to do with them yet, but I can't wait to use them. I got these crown rhinestone charms. When I was adding things to my basket for this order, this might be my second bag, I was trying to avoid these types of charms because I feel like they all look the same after a while. I got some of these abalone shell things, if that's the name of it, I hope it is. Because I had seen that Long Hair Pretty Nails did a set using these and it looked really good. Then when I was showing them up close, I was kind of thinking to myself, what am I going to do with this? So I'm probably not going to use it. So just a heads up, if this voiceover sounds like it's all over the place, it is. And it's because I had some soju and I can really feel it right now. And I'm like, oh no, like I have like 5 more minutes of this voiceover left. But if it gets too crazy, I'm going to have to close my laptop and finish it on the Monday, which means it'll probably go out on the Tuesday. But anyways, I got these heart charms and they are... I don't even know how to describe this. It's like iridescent, has like a rainbow shift, something of the sort. Then I got these heart charms, which are awesome. It's almost like a cat eye reflective charm, and I have a really great idea with these. I'm only going to show you a few of them because some of them weren't the best. Some of them were kind of ugly, like it just wouldn't really fit too well on a nail design. Also, just a heads up, my neighbor's dog is outside, so I think you can hear it this time. The voiceover I recorded before this, I literally said my dog is making that noise. I have no dog. It's my neighbor's dog. Next, I got these little casino... No, not casino. It's like poker. This is crazy. I feel like there's just nothing in my brain right now. But anyways, I ordered another one of these because there's only 2 playing cards in it, and I think I need to get more so I can have at least 10. Next, I got these smiley faces, and I only got this because one of the reviews, someone had used it in a nail set and it looked really good. But when I was recording this haul, I was looking at them, and I was like, I'm probably never going to use these. Next, I'm going to be getting into the Kawaii stuff. So I got these drinks and I really like these. They are huge, but for the Kawaii sets, these are totally fine. These are for jewelry making, hence the hole, but I don't see why we can't use them as nail charms. I got these 10-piece random charms. So with these, you can get absolutely anything. I was looking in the reviews and I had seen that they had green and brown and yellow, and I just really wanted pink. And luckily, that's what I got. I put them on the nail set that I had at that time and I was really loving the look. I can't wait to do Kawaii sets because I've never done them before. Next, I got these charms of the girls sleeping, and these are probably my favorite thing from this haul. I love the detail on these, and they almost look like, I don't know how to put it. It's like they're almost HD. I don't know if that makes sense. And then on the other hand, you have these charms, which I got, and they are the complete opposite. Like, this is definitely 144p. They are scratched off, some of them are, and they don't look the best. I mean, it's not terrible, but you see the difference. Next, I got these little bears, and they almost look edible. Let me not say almost, they do look edible. And one thing I realized is that I wasn't showing you guys the back of the charms. Almost every single one of them has a flat back. The only one that doesn't are the crown rhinestone charms. I also got these bunnies. I was seeing lots of cute sets with these, and I got these pink bunnies for the same reason. I was just seeing them everywhere and I liked them. Next, we have some cows. I have the craziest set in mind, and it's not going to be too crazy that it borders ugly. I'm still going to try and make it make sense. I also got these cow charms. I prefer the one on the left. The right one is the right one is just making me laugh right now. I don't know why. These next 2 things are what I received 2 days ago, amongst like other things. I said this was going to be my last Shein haul for months. I know that you lying. But I actually have an order ready to check out tonight. Because, you know, free shipping on Sundays. But anyways, I got these glow-in-the-dark hearts. I really like how they look under regular lighting, but it's always an added bonus when it glows in the dark. The last nail item are these flowers. I really want to try them out. Everyone that uses it makes it look really good, so I just want to try them out and see how I like it. And that is pretty much all I got as far as nail items anyway. I got myself like a circle ice cube tray makeup, ice cube makeup, whatever it's called. I got that and I really do like that. And I got myself some nose rings. Like, the list goes on, but my mind is blank right now. I only remember the ice cubes and the nose rings because I just looked at them. But anyways, that is it for this haul. If you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. And if you haven't tried soju, try it. It's crazy, I'll tell you that.